Actual champion the first away with Oki, then Jack Russell. 4 years old. Rachel's hand, Oki, since it was up. I say it's lovely to be here. Look at me, I just haven't been here before. I'm so smart. Cheer me on though, please. I'm doing ever so well. Yes! Come on, Oki. Yeah, now this is feeling good. Come on, Rachel.
Come on. Come on.
Oh! Looked a bit big. Yes, looked a bit big. That's only 5. Oh, that could be more expensive. Now 10. Take a run. Come on. Take a run.
Oh, no.
That's it. Eliminated. So it's yes! So I think we've got 100. Yeah, there we are. The 100's gone up. It's 115 now. My word, it's going to take 3 good rounds to follow on if they're going to win this. Come on, Oki, let's cheer them on. They're coming good. Go on, Gabby. Another Jack Russell, Flora, 5 years old. Friend introduced us to this Flora when it was 2 years old. Oh, another elimination, another 100, 215. I say I'm getting on so well now. The fences, they're getting smaller. Now that looked a bit big. Through the tunnel. Jack Russells don't mind the dark. Now the wee poles. Come on, you can cheer. They don't know they're eliminated.
Hey.
Just look at Flora's tail. Still as perky as ever, so come on, keep cheering. Coming for home.
Go on, Gabby! Go on, Gabby!
There we go.
Anna McCallum and the toy poodle Ollie, 6 years old. Ollie's been to Crufts before, knows what it's all about. Whoa, look at this, scurrying round. Come on, Ollie. Just loves it here, but loves it when you cheer. Yes, that's much better.
I will.
Oh, look at that, what a great shot. Our cameramen here doing some great work for you on the screen. Good round from Anna McCallum. Lee Harfield now taking on with the Terrier Pomeranian Cross. Well, here we go. Bonnie flying, 6 years old, competes at grade 7. Yeah, in fact, the score now reflected that there was 2 eliminations. So sadly, it's going to be impossible for Colchester Mayhem to come into the top 3.